Question number 126, which says the amount of DNA doubles but the number of chromosomes remain the same. This statement is true for a cell which is present in, understand, this actually happens in S phase. S phase, which is also called as the synthesis phase, in which actually the DNA replication takes place, but is actually the chromosome number is not getting doubled. It's only the DNA content which is getting doubled here. So we have the right answer as S phase. We move to question number 127, which says, which of the following functions occur in both G1 phase and G2 phase of a cell cycle? When I'm talking about G1 and G2, these are representing interphase of the cell cycle. And here we will understand that here the cell is actually not dividing but is actually preparing for division. So option number 1 says separation of chromatids and synthesis of RNA, which are not a function of G1 and G2. Duplication of cell organelles and protein synthesis, this is what actually happens here. The tubulin protein synthesis actually happens when in G2 phase. And cell organelle duplication also happens in these phases. We have DNA replication and centriole duplication as the third option, which is also wrong. And the fourth option says protein synthesis and centriole duplication, which is also wrong here. So we have option number 2 as the right answer. We move to question number 128, which says the most dramatic period of cell cycle involves. So understand, when I'm talking about the most dramatic period of the cell cycle, it is actually the M phase, in which the cell is actually dividing. So understand, in the M phase, we have 4 stages, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, which is followed by cytokinesis. So here the first option says 2 stages of kerokinesis and cytokinesis, which is wrong. Second option says 4 stages of nuclear division, that is kerokinesis only, which is also wrong here. Third option says 4 stages of kerokinesis followed by cytokinesis, which I told you is the right answer. The fourth option says 1 stage of cytokinesis followed by kerokinesis. This is also wrong here. So we have option number 3 as the right answer. We come to question number 129, which says select the odd one with respect to prophase of mitosis. When I'm talking about prophase of mitosis, it is the earliest stage in the kerokinesis. So here the first option says chromosome material condenses, which is right here. Second option says centrosomes move towards opposite poles. This is also correct option here. Third option says nuclear envelope disintegrates. Yes, here the nuclear envelope starts disintegrating. This is also the right answer here. The fourth option says spindle fibers of mitotic apparatus dissolve. This is actually wrong, because during prophase, the 2 esters together with spindle fibers form mitotic apparatus. They don't dissolve here. So we have the right answer as option number 4, which is odd here. So let us move to the next question, that is question number 130, which says in which stage of mitotic division spindle fibers attach to kinetochores? So understand, it is the metaphase, because it is the stage in which the spindle fibers attach with the kinetochore of chromosomes. So we have options anaphase, telophase, metaphase and cytokinesis, and we know the correct answer is option number 3, which says metaphase.